Okay, thin metal plate actually, but thin metal plate means like a sheet. Okay, so this is one sheet, this is another. Okay, they are parallel to each other, close to each other, and the inner faces have surface charge density. Surface, it has surface charge density. One has positive and one has negative. Did you find it? Of opposite sign and magnitude same. Right? Opposite sign and magnitude same. How much is the magnitude of surface charge density? 17 into 10 raised to minus 22 coulomb per meter square. Okay. Right? Now what do we have to find? What do we have to find? The electric field. Where? The outer region. Outer region what is? Suppose this is first plate. Two plates है तो नाम तो क्या? First, second. So outer region of first plate. So here somewhere. Okay, let's call that point A. We want to find electric field at A. Alright. Which charges can create electric field at A? How many charges are there? Two. Basically two charges, right? Overall. Two. One sheet, another. Got it? Yes or no? One sheet and another. So EA due to the positive, right? Which it will be in which direction? Electric field at A due to positive charge. Left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side, sure?
Yes.
Absolutely clear?
Yes.
Positive charge, electric field will be away. Yes, it proceed or talking. Is it fine? Normal to the sheet and going away. Now due to the negative one, due to the second one here, the electric field at this point will be right. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes.
Sure? Okay. Fine. So directions are like that. Okay. Directions are opposite. Let's just talk about magnitude also. EA plus. EA plus will be what? That's an formula.
Yes.
Electric field due to a sheet. How much?
Sigma by 2. Sigma by
Sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Okay, direction is n hat. Okay. Now what is EA minus? Electric field due to the negative. Same. Same or not? Sure. Direction is opposite. We know that, so there is no need to write minus or anything. The magnitude is same. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. Can I ask? दूर से तो same है electric field. So don't say electric field is proportional to 1 by r square. मतलब कुछ ही लेवन. Electric field of what? Charge होए तो proportional to 1 by r square. Dipole होए तो proportional to 1 by r cube. Large sheet होए तो not proportional. Got it? हाँ. So what's the total electric field? What's the total electric field at this point? Zero था ना? कितना था? कैसे zero था? That's right side. Magnitudes are equal. They will exactly cancel each other. Okay. So what's the second part of this question? Outer region of second. એવું છે કે between the outer region of અહીંયા. Let's call it B. Same answer है ना? Homework. Okay, B part is for you to finish on your own. Let's go to C part. What is C? Between the. So somewhere here, let's call that point C. Now here, electric field at C due to positive. Raise your hand, okay, for direction. Very simple question. Electric field at C due to the positive charge will be towards which side? Very simple question. खाली direction का ध्यान से. Okay, that easy. Yes. Your name? Breathe. हाँ, तू ही breathe. I breathe. Yeah. Right side. Very good. Positive charge. Electric field is away from the charge. Right? Very good. Sit down. So EC plus. EC plus is in the right hand direction. Now what about the second one? Due to the negative charge? Left side.
Right side.
That also right side?
Yes.
Why? For a negative charge, the electric field is towards that negative charge, right? So So now here if I want to find total electric field at C, I should simply add them in magnitude. Yes or no?
Yes.
સમજાય ને કે નહીં?
Yes.
આવડી જાય હવે શું કરવાનું? વેલ્યુ મૂકવાનું. સિગ્મા બાય 2 એપ્સિલોન 0. This one sigma by 2 epsilon 0 a minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0.
Sigma.
Sigma by 2 epsilon 0 minus sign. So this is a negative term. But we are writing magnitude. Minus sign has no role in the magnitude. Okay, e direction માં આવી ગયું. So don't write minus sign. So final answer will be sigma by epsilon 0. Okay, this is almost worth remembering. પણ હવે એટલું easy છે કે કેતો નથી યાદ રાખો. Between two such sheets, electric field will be sigma by epsilon 0. Outside. Put value, get the answer yourself at your own time in the comfort of your own home. Next topic. Electric field due to a straight, long, uniformly charged wire. Again, long here is a code word for infinite. Okay, so that students don't run away. Okay, long means infinite. The last topic according to the book is this chapter. When did we start? When did we start this chapter? 14, 1 4. 13, 7. And today is 24. 7. This is the biggest chapter of this book. સમજી ગયા ને ક્યારે સિલેબસ પૂરો થઈ જશે? Got it? Okay. અને એવું નથી કે કંઈ નથી કરાયું એટલે આપણે જે રીતના સમજે ગયા છે. Don't take it light. But there is only one thing. Like I said, I will not wait for you to calculate. એટલે છે ને automatically speed વધી જ જાય કારણ કે તમે કરો ને પછી આંતર નવા પછી હું કરું ને etc. right? હવે calculation તમારે કરવું. Okay. So suppose there is a line charge which is very very long. Line charge છે ને? Okay, it has some linear charge, density and all that. Let's say it's positive. Okay, so let's say this is a very long line charge where positive charge is uniformly distributed. Okay. Oh, left side માં draw નહીં કરતા, થોડી જગ્યા જોશે. Now, let's say you're at the point P somewhere. We want to find what's the electric field at that point P if the perpendicular distance is R. Perpendicular distance તો ખબર પડે ને બધાને, right? Let's say this point is M, where it is the foot of perpendicular. I always like that name, foot of perpendicular. I find it very funny. Okay. So now, what will be the direction of electric field at the point P? That's what we want to start. Okay. Now, think about this line. Do you realize above this line, this wire goes up to? Okay. Below this, they were the same. So there is symmetry. So electric field at point P should neither be upwards nor be downwards. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, just if you write E also it's fine. Okay. Electric field will be in this direction. Now the same thing will actually happen at all. I can prove it in one more. Suppose you take a small charge dq. Okay, its electric field will be in this direction. Everything symmetrically here લઈ શકાય? Make sense? Where will be the resultant? Where will be the resultant? Absolutely clear? Sure? હવે સિમેટ્રી એપ્રિશિએટ કરીને ફટાફટ ડાયરેક્શન ફાઇન્ડ કરી લેવાની દરરોજ. So electric field will be in this direction. It is pointing. Right? Right. Consider a long straight wire with linear charge density lambda bracket मतलब जो greater than 0, so positive. Okay. A point P is at perpendicular distance r from the wire. Now we want to find electric field at this point. Pehla direction logina. Due to symmetry, the electric field at any point, due to symmetry, the electric field at any point is in normal direction away from the wire. In symmetry, the electric field at any point is in normal direction away from the wire. What is that? Look at this electric field. Do you realize it's actually perpendicular to this wire? No, they can't. It's going to the right side, perpendicular to the wire. Suppose there was some other point. Okay, we draw one more diagram which is actually also very useful. બતાવી એમને એક બીજો diagram દોરવાનો. Okay, have you written these sentences? Okay, then I'm going to erase it. I'll explain the third one in a little bit more detail in the last sentence. So suppose you consider that here is that wire, then you watch it from the top or from the bottom. Did you understand? Let's say you're watching from here, this is your eye. So you see the plus charge as this only. You guys know that. Clear or not clear? આમ લાઈન જો તો કેવી દેખાય ખાલી પોઈન્ટ જ દેખાશે ને I hope that is fine. Okay, because we are watching it like that. So where is P? Let's say P is here on the right hand. How much is the distance? R. At this point the electric field will be like this. But if you take some other point, let's say below this point, electric field will be down. Clear or not? At this point it will be here. At this point it will be here. Read the sentence. At every point the electric field is what? Normal to the wire. આ બધું normal કહેવાય? Yes. આ wire. What the angle between this wire and this electric field? અહીંયા. Got it? And it's clear. Okay. So electric field at every point is normal to the wire and away from the wire. Got it? Negative also towards the wire. Fine. Next, if you want to find electric field, we have been using the symmetry. અહીંયા તો છે જ symmetry, but this is not spherical symmetry. It is called cylindrical symmetry. Why cylindrical? Because this is one line. Around this line at every point, if you make a circle, then all the points are same. Yes or no? But just like that, you can make one circle here also, and once again all the points are same. Yes or no? એવું બધી જગ્યાએ. So do you realize that you can actually make a cylinder where everything is same? You can actually make a cylinder around the wire. Think of it like tube light. You know, tube light is a very good example of this. Cylindrical cylinder. A tube light. How does it emit light? આમ જાય, બધી direction માં જાય. Correct? And not just from here, but also from here. Make sense? Sure? Tube light ને તમે આમ સાઈડ માં જો તો આવું દેખાય. Yes or no? Sure? ignore the obstruction of the wall. બરાબર ને આપ સપોઝ આ ટ્યુબ લાઈન વચ્ચે મૂકી દીધો, it's not cylinder but that kind of tube like the round one. Okay, then its light would go around in every direction just like this, correct? Sure, you get there? Okay. So there is cylindrical symmetry because that's like a cylinder and out from it you can make cylinders. Okay, so we will draw a Gaussian surface that will be like a cylinder. So we draw a cylindrical Gaussian. We will draw a cylindrical Gaussian surface of some length L, radius R. R is same as this, right? R is same as this. If you have not indicated in the diagram, please do. Okay, length L, radius R, and axis coinciding with the wire. The axis is coinciding with the wire. Okay. P lies on curved surface of cylinder. P lies on the curved surface of this cylinder. Right, I can draw it. So, it's clear also. So we'll draw it in such a way that it's a cylinder, it has a length L, radius R, and P is on the curved surface. Not necessary that P is at the center of it, but it wouldn't hurt. Did you understand this diagram? Yes or no? The guy is a cylinder, axis as the wire, not a perfect diagram but anyway. Clear? Understood what it is? This blue one is the Gaussian surface. Again, what's a Gaussian surface? Something that we draw so that we can use the Gauss law for it. Right? That's called a Gaussian. Now, I am going to show that same Gaussian surface here also. Do you realize it will look like this? Yes? No? Sure? Everyone got that? This circle will have a radius R. Like this. Okay? Very bad diagram is that. આવું દેખાય ને અહીંથી જો આ base વાળું દેખાતું, right? Or you can say you are seeing the curved circle, right? Clear? A diagram draw karo, must do it. Okay, it helps you to understand. Fine. Now let's start finding flux for everything. So first of all, for the flat surfaces, what's the direction of electric field everywhere? It is perpendicular to the wire, right? So wire is vertical. Yes or no? In our diagram, the wire is vertical. Sure? No less than 0. So electric field will be, let's say like this in every direction. Got it? Yes. Sure? Okay. Where is area vector of the upper surface? Where is area vector of the upper surface? Upward. Area vector of the upper surface upward. But the electric field everywhere is like this. What's the angle between area vector and electric field? 90 degree. Flux is 0. For the lower surface, same problem. Flux is 0. What do you plug now? Flux for lower and upper flat face is 0, as E vector is perpendicular to A. બહુ સિમ્પલ લખવાની ટેવ પડી ગઈ, છોડવી પડશે. ઓકે, now let's talk about curved surface. So this is the curved surface. If I draw area vector here, it will be like this. Yes or no? Sure? A circle है ने, circle में normal क्या होए? In direction of radius, correct? Electric field is also in the same direction. Angle between area vector and electric field. Okay, at this point same. Here same. Yes or no? Okay, right. For curved surface, at each point, angle between E vector and dA vector or electric field and area vector, G વધારે બોર્ડ લખાય, is 0. Okay? The angle between electric field and area vector at every point is 0, as you can see this. Thank you. Okay, now what about magnitude of electric field? At P, suppose here it is, at maybe X, all will have same magnitude. Why? Why? Distance. Distance तो same है ना? अच्छा कोई नहीं होना था तो क्या X तो थोड़ा wire ना end point बाजू है? No, infinite wires do not have end points. Is that okay? Right? गमे ना ऊपर जा wire तो अजीब है, फिर लगी चला अजीब. Right? It doesn't have any. Similarly, over here or at any other point on the cylinder, the electric field magnitude will be same. Clear? Sorry, direction change that. So that's what we're going to write next. At each point on curved surface, E is same or equal. Not E vector, huh? Please don't make that mistake. The electric field is same in magnitude. Okay. Can you see it in your notebooks? Open the windows if they are not. Can you see it now in your notebook?
Yes.
On the board as well? Cameraman, check. Okay. That's joking. Kapan is really helping us a lot. Overexposed. Okay. So I was telling you that everywhere on this curved surface the electric field is same because all those points are at same distance up. Directions different, no problem, but magnitude is same. So now let's integrate and find flux. Therefore, flux for cylinder is phi equal to. Now see, it's only for the curved surface, yes or no? Because for the other surfaces, for the other two surfaces, the flux is 0. Got it? For other two surfaces, the flux is 0. So whatever flux is just for the curve. Clear? Clear or not? Like I said, angle everywhere between E and dA is 0. Fine? Okay. And magnitude of E same everywhere. What to do? Put it outside. So the tape padegi. Nothing tape padegi. Right? Okay. So flux phi is equal to E integration dA. Now which area are we doing integration over? Over the curved surface. So when we do integration dA, we get area A, which is the curved surface. What will be the curved surface? 2 pi r h. But this has a length L, isn't it? Is it okay? So 2 pi r h. Right? So this becomes equal to 2 pi r h. Phi is equal to 2 pi r. Now this is flux found with electric field. Now we will find flux with charge electrode. That is the Gauss. and then we'll compare them and find out the electric field. Got it? Okay, so how much charge is enclosed inside this? અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીને અહીંયા સુધી બરાબર ને? How much length? L. It's a line charge. Yes or no? It's linear charge density, suppose lambda. Then how much will be that much charge in a length L? Lambda into L. Q equal to lambda into L. Okay or not?
Yes.
Okay. So have we written about linear charge density at start of this derivation? I don't remember. You let it have a linear charge density lambda. You know like that. Okay. Wait. Fine. So we can say charge enclosed. Sigma Q enclosed is equal to lambda into L. Clear? Why? From here to here, how much length? L. So lambda into L. Clear? That's the charge in this part. We don't charge we don't care. Okay. So combine both of these things and put flux. So flux as left side of this. Flux is equal to lambda L upon epsilon 0. Yes or no? Left side value is lambda L upon epsilon 0. Sigma Q enclosed divided by epsilon 0. Clear? Using the Gauss law. Using Gauss law. Equal to E into 2 pi R L. Okay, what's cancelled? L is cancelled. And we get the fine formula. So, what is electric field? E is equal to lambda upon 2 pi R epsilon 0. Or lambda upon 2 pi epsilon 0 R. However, you write it. Okay. You can also write this as 2k lambda by R. Think about it. Yes. If you don't understand it, left to right, try to go right to left. You will understand. Alright, K's value 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. So you get this is very easy to use, isn't it? This is the value of the good. Okay, fine. So that's the electric field magnitude due to a straight, long or infinite uniform charge. But what about direction? So let's write it in magnitude. Look at this. If this is the wire, then we have seen that the electric field goes out in every direction. It is radial guy. You remember radial? Yes. Sure. So it will be lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 R lambda. Okay, in the radial direction. Radial from the wire. Alright? You can also write n hat. You know, some authors use n hat. N hat for normal to the wire. Got it? Normal to the fine. Now let's go with the exercise. There is a question based on this which I am going to give you for homework. Right? Okay, that question is 23. એક જ છે એ હોમવર્ક. કઈ નથી ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફીલ્ડ આપ્યું છે લેમ્ડા ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું નો આવડે. But yes, everyone, I suggest that whenever you write this formula, make sure you draw a diagram next to it. તમને ખબર તો પડે તમે શું કર્યું. This is like a linear chart. Okay, and here is that point. This distance is R. Now we have found electric field at that. Okay. Later on we'll also see what to do if it's not infinite. કરશું ને? નહીં કરીએ. What to do if it is not infinite? Infinite માટે તો થઈ ગયો. Okay. So 23 done. Now first of all let's finish whatever questions are remaining from the book. Book ની theory પૂરી થઈ ગઈ. તો bookના examples બાકી હોય તો અને exercise. Alright? I think example 3 remains if I am not wrong. 1, 2 तो आपने कहा था. हाँ 2 कह रहे थे 3 बाकी. Because actually it's a chemistry question this one. See what the question. How much positive and negative charge is there in a cup of water? Total નથી પૂછ્યું, total તો 0, because water is made up of atoms and generally atoms are neutral, so total charge will be 0. But how much positive and how much negative? 0 બરાબર, પણ +1 coulomb -1 coulomb કે +100 coulomb and -100 coulomb, like that. How much? Obvious question to ask is how much water is there in the cup? બરાબર ને? Without that, can you decide how much charge will be there? So we'll assume whatever is assumed in the solution. Let us assume that the mass of 1 cup of water is 250 gram. બસ હવે બુકનું કામ નથી, પતી ગયું. Start करो. Capital M equal to 250 gram. Okay, can you tell me why does water have positive charge in it? What gives water the positive charge? Huh? H. Proton. Yeah. Even oxygen has proton. Yes or no? Yes. We have to find the total positive charge inside water. તેમાં proton બધા લઈ લેવાના ને. So we are actually looking for how many protons are there. That's the main thing. Right? Once you get there, you can easily get the total positive charge. Let's see. Capital M, mass of substance, 250 gram. What is molar mass? M0, molar mass of water? 82 gram per mole. 18 gram per mole. Okay, be careful. Unit of molar mass is gram per mole or kg per mole. Fine. Okay, so how many moles of water? Number of moles. How many moles are there? Small n equal to. Do you remember the formula or not? M0 M upon M0. Clear? આ શેમાં આવતું હતું? ફિઝિક્સમાં કે કેમેસ્ટ્રી? બેમાં આવતું. બેમાં આવતું હતું ને? કાઇનેટિક થિયરી ઓફ ગેસીસ માં આવતું. Okay, so how much? 250 upon 80. All right. કરો ને ડિવાઇડ શું આવે? 13.7. આગળ પાછળ કઈ? ઓકે, 13.7 મોલ. કઈનું ને કે બુકમાં જોયું? ધ્યાન તો વાંધો એ જ કન્ફર્મ કર્યું. ખાલી બુકના આન્સર પછી સાચો ન હોય તો પોસિબલ. So n is 13.7. Now from this we have found number of moles. So from number of moles we can find how many molecules are there. And we can then go to how many protons are there, because we can easily count how many protons are there in a molecule. Okay. So small n is 13.7. The number of molecules, how many molecules will be there? Small n into n. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
1 mole has n, n moles have n into n. એવો ગંદો number. Okay. Next. This is number of molecules. One molecule has how many protons? One molecule of what? Of water. How many protons are there in one molecule of water? Can you count them?
Same as
One molecule, how many protons?
number of molecules.
Same as number of?
molecule.
Are you listening to what I'm asking? One, बहुत simple question for you. One molecule of water has how many protons? 10. કેવી રીતે 10? તપન બુકમાં જોઈને નહીં, ખબર પડી ગઈ બુકમાં જોયું. 8 protons are there in oxygen and તો યાર જરાક તો common sense તો use કરો. હાવ પછી easy જતું ને કે અઘરું હતું બહુ. 10 protons. Clear? Okay. So number of protons in water, how many? 250 gram actually. 250 gram of water is equal to, this is number of molecules. One molecule has how many protons? 10. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? Sure. Okay, so now we just have to find the charge of these many protons. So therefore, charge of these protons. What's the charge of one proton? What's the charge of one proton? 1.6 × 10⁻⁹ Is this fine? Yes or no? આ તો ફિઝિક્સ નો કે કેમિસ્ટ્રી નો ઇક્વેશન નથી, આ તો ખાલી ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન નો ઇક્વેશન. Think about it. You can do every step by cross. See, 1 mole 18 gram. Then how many moles? 250 gram. See a cross multiplication? Take it. Okay, you come here. 1 mole Avogadro. Then n moles, that is 13.7 moles. How many molecules? But see, 1 molecule 10 protons. Wait a minute. 1 molecule gives 10 protons. So those many number of molecules give how many protons? But the 1 proton gives 1.6 × 10⁻⁹ coulomb charge. And these many protons give how much charge? क्या 12th standard નો કામ છે, તો 7th standard નો કામ છે. હતું કઈ બોલો? A to Z is only cross multiplication. And over the years, I mean, I still can't believe it. I've been teaching physics for at least 8 years now. Actually 8 nahi, 10 hante, pura 10. But I don't understand why students cannot do this. જે ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન ના ક્વેશ્ચન એ બધાને અઘરા લાગતા. I mean, I'm finding it very difficult to believe. એમાં શું કરવાનું? કંઈ નથી કરવાનું. ખાલી ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરતા જાઓ, 4-5 ડોટ કરો એટલે આન્સર આવી જાય. No, don't agree with me. એકેય ફોર્મ્યુલા નો આવડે ચાલે કે નહીં? જોઈ જુઓ. શું કે હોલ તો ખબર હોવા જોઈએ, એ વાત સાચી. Any none of us. Okay, next one. Which example remains? आप पूरू कर ले जाओ जाते. Similarly, negative charge find करता आवड़े कि नहीं? Instead of proton, electron. બધું ભર્યા ન કરાય. Same કभी નાખવાનું. Okay, cancelled. Yes, not kidding. We know atoms are neutral, so use that fact to your advantage. 12 dot. થઈ ગયું ને? બાકી છે. બાકી હોય કે જો ચશ્માતા નહીં પાછા 10 I'm not saying you will do it, I'm only saying 10 બાકી છે ખરેખર. Example 10 is remaining. Yes or no? It's homework. Dipole no question છે. You have to find electric field due to dipole, one time on axis and one time on equator. कराओ बोलो किधर? कराओ formula मुकवान पूछो formula. So just put the formula and get the answer. You see the figure, you'll understand. All right? Yeah, it's not a short dipole though. Be careful with it. Okay, next. Book ની મેં થોડું કરાઈ નહીં હોય. Example 10 માં તમને એવું લાગતું આવડતું. Do it by dipole formula, put the value, get the answer, be happy. Okay, next. 13 બાકી છે? બાકી ને 13? Okay, 11 12 થઈ ગયા. 12 થઈ ગયો. કોઈ કહેતા નહીં બાકી છે. Okay. An early model of an atom. આજ પૂરું કરવાનું. An early model for an atom considered it to have a positively charged point nucleus of charge Z. Draw the diagram. Book no diagram not draw the. Just put a point charge with charge Ze. Why Ze? Because there are Z protons. Clear or not? Z for what? What number? Atomic number. Okay, Z atomic number means number of protons. So Z protons, Z charge. That is surrounded by a uniform density of negative charge up to a radius r. So it's like a sphere, correct? Got it? It is surrounded by what? A sphere. of uniform negative charge. Got it? Understood this?
Yes.
How? And where's the positive charge? Here. So this charge is plus ZE, and on the remaining wall there is a negative charge of minus ZE. Okay? Obviously, total atom is neutral. It's like base same. Did you get that? Okay or not? Right? Positive charge of nucleus and remaining negative charge, it balances out, so everything is neutral. Okay. Now what do we have to do? Find electric field at distance r. Inside, outside, not given, we'll find everything. Okay. Have a look here. Do you understand that this is actually a combination of two things? Can you point out what two things? Charge not put up, positive, negative, no kita. Two kinds of objects or two kinds of constructions. Which two? One is a point charge. Okay, the other is a non-conducting sphere. Yes or no?
Yes.
એના જેવું છે ને? A conducting sphere. Is like conducting sphere or non-conducting sphere? Non-conducting sphere. Because if it would be conducting, everything would go on the outer side. Got it? And its radius is also given r. Okay, now we want to find electric field at a point outside. Small r is the distance. So E is equal to there. What do you think? I can say EP plus and EP minus. Got it? Positive and negative. Positive thing is a point charge. Yes or no? Sure. What is its direction? In a vector current to like you. What is its direction? Electric field due to positive charge here. What will be its direction? Right. Very good. EP plus. And how much will that be in magnitude? Point charge. Point here. A Q by r square. Any questions? Okay? Clear?
Yes.
AQ by r square. Now due to the negative charge, which is actually in form of a sphere, but this point, is it inside the sphere or outside the sphere?
Outside.
So what to do? Same formula as point charge. अरे क्या होगा? समझाना है?
Yes.
Sure. So it will be KZE by r square. Same in magnitude,
Yes.
but opposite in direction. Why opposite? Because that's a negative charge, so its field will be towards it. Clear? Sure. Total field. How much? 0 get 2 KZE by r square. Done?
Yes.
Understood? Now let's go to a point inside. So now here. So once again, same strategy. Due to positive charge is a point charge. Correct or not? समझ पड़ी ने? क्या नहीं? Positive charge is a point charge. So ZE by r square. Clear? Part B चालू देखियो, और outside को देखियो. इधर. KZE by r square. Now for negative charge. Okay, what shape is the negative charge? Is it a point charge or not? Is it a point charge or not? Negative. नहीं, negative केवा shape में है? Sphere, non-conducting sphere. So inside or non-conducting sphere, ये ऊपर ऊपर है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone get that? What's the formula of electric field inside a non-conducting sphere? K Q small r divided by r cube. Got it? Z is magnitude, like direction. Let's figure it out. Obviously, for positive charge, electric field will be away from the charge. There is no doubt about that. But for negative charge, see, all this is a negative charge. So its electric field will be towards the center. Is that fine? Or not clear? Like this. Left side, in this direction. Or right side, yeah, left side. Yes or no? Just like if gravitation is attractive, so gravitational force के बदला के towards the center लगे ना, just like if this negative charge is attractive, then its electric field will be towards the center. Any questions about direction? No. સમજાય ને? આખું ને? Okay, so what will be net electric field? What will be net electric field? EP, net field. Or net electric field EP equal to. You see, the outer one will be more. Simply because small r is less than capital R. I repeat what I am saying. The outer one will be more. Why? Look at this. અહીંયા r multiply કરો. Then here we have small r. And if we separate this out, here we have a capital R. Make sense? Difference है ना बेमा? Okay, this is smaller than that. I hope you are seeing that. Got it? Okay. So bigger minus smaller. So what's bigger? AZE by R square minus AZE smaller upon R cube. Clear? Okay. What's common? AZE 1 by 4 by 1 ZE 1 by R square minus 1 by small r by R. This is the electric field outside such an atom. Oh, sorry, inside. That is outside. Outside is 0. And atom is so nice. बाहर नहीं आपको electric field अंदर है. Isn't it? Okay. But is this real? No. Okay, this is not an exact model, right? The exact model is the weirdest model in the world, Schrodinger model. बराबर ने? This particular description that has been given in this slide is a model after Rutherford's model and before Bohr's model. બેની વચ્ચેના time. Rutherford said that there will be a nucleus, but then he said electrons will revolve. That's not true. Right? So એનો તો રસ્તો કાઈ નહીં, ન્યુક્લિયસ છે પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ક્યાંય રિવોલ્વ નથી કરતા, they are just stopped. Okay, similar to plum pudding model. This is not plum pudding model but similar to that. Right? Okay, but even this is wrong.